Good morning. Me and Richard are going up north for the Cold Dark North ride, and yeah, I was going to ride up, and then the weather was just like torrential rain, and my Garmin broke, so I didn't have like a navigational device. I've got my phone, but I thought if it's going to be rain, I don't want that out. So, sorry, can you see I've got this camera shoved up? And so yeah, so we're driving up, and it is wet and dark, as promised in the Cold Dark North ride. So I potentially might leave my camera and just take my GoPro if it's going to be that wet, because and all the way here we've had a bit of festive music on, because it is the 1st of December, so it's practically Christmas. It ain't Christmas FM without this. We have arrived! Oh, sorry. Slam the brakes on. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is the start of the Cold Dark North ride. We've got a few people here as well, to be honest. We've got Toby over here. You'll have seen Toby in my Ride Across Britain videos. He was one of the riders that I rode some of it with. So yeah, we've got a few more minutes and then we're going to be setting off. It's so nice and toasty in here though, honestly. It's so lovely and warm and dry. It's going to be good. Let's get some nice roads in the north of England.
Thanks, Jess. Morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. We have arranged some excellent weather this morning, I hope you'll agree. Looking forward to a nice dry 60k. Can I just check who's got the route on a Garmin or a Wahoo? Can we try and make sure there's someone with the route in every group? We're going to try and split us up into kind of 10, 15 as a rough average. We're going to send the quicker ones. If you're feeling quick, go out the front in one of the early groups. If you're feeling slow or fat like me and want to go slowly, I'm going to be in the back group. The route is out from here, out over the Trough of Bowland and back round via Whitewell. As I say, try and make sure we've got someone with the route in every group. I want to say thank you very much to our sponsors this year, who were Jam, who are here, Alon Smokes and Crystal Rides, who's behind there. So thank you to them.
This is the first group. We're not going out with them because they are going to be fast. So many people and so many nice bags. So I'm going to grab my bike. It's wet. It's not cold, but it's very, very wet. It is so wet, look at this. How wet are you finding it, Sarah? Wet. It is. I've just taken my glove off to get my GoPro out, and now I'm thinking, am I actually going to be able to get my glove back on, because it's so wet. I couldn't have been wetter if I got in a shower. Every layer is drenched, but it's not cold. It's pretty warm. It's pretty toasty. But beautiful hills though. But that's why there's not much footage, because I can't physically get my GoPro out of my pocket. So off we go into the beautiful wet grey distance. Brilliant hills though. The hills are so good, aren't they? Sarah's a fan of the hills.
Yeah, they're really good.
Beautiful.
The hills,
We like the hills. So we'll just come up from there and then we're going to head down. My God. I could barely even feel on my fingers. It's just taken me quite a while to actually unzip my jacket and to stop, because I knew we were at the end. I had to like fall onto a wall to stop myself because my hands are that numb. Never ever ride when it's that bad, but I did, and we're at the end and it's done, and I'm glad I did it. But oh God, is it type 2 fun when like it's never fun when you're actually doing it, but only like when you've actually finished it? No, actually, even when I finished it, it just wasn't. It was fun, but it was cold and very wet. So I'm going to go in now and get some food, get some drink, and yeah, try and get warmed up. Oh, just film this and realised that I'd not pressed record. Let me check. Yeah, it's recording. So we are on our way back, and yeah, sorry there's not much footage. It was just so cold. I could like barely even move my hands towards the end, so it was just a faff to try and get my camera out of. Hang on, how far? Yeah, sorry. To get my camera out of my pocket. So yeah, it was nice. It was wet. Is it the type 1 or type 2 fun when it's like it's fun afterwards when you look back on it? 'Cause at the time it was just cold and miserable and cold and wet. But a lot of people didn't actually even finish the whole ride because it was just so like cold. There were punctures, mechanicals, and people just literally just so frozen they could barely move. So yeah, so not everyone did actually ride the whole thing. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so there's not much footage from that, but you'll have to excuse me. But yeah, it was good. I think they're on about doing a cold Dark North ride, but in summer, so you actually get like shorts and short sleeves and just no gloves. Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, it was cold actually. No, it was cold. I was gonna say it wasn't that cold, but yeah, it was cold. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just warming up in the car now, and yeah, I will see you next video. And one last thing, just want to say thanks to Cold Dark North for putting on the ride, even though it was a little bit cold and a little bit wet. But yeah, so if you want any like routes, if you're going up to the Cold Dark North, and I'll leave all their links and stuff in the description, so they can help plot you a good route if you're up in the north. So that's it. See you again. Other side this time. Bye.